Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Vizio Soundbar keeps turning off sleep eco mode and CEC setting. Fix 1. Turn off eco mode. Using the remote, you just have to press the menu button and scroll to eco power and select it off. Without a remote, you have to press power and volume down button on a soundbar itself for 5 seconds. The LED will flash to confirm the feature is disabled. Fix to perform a soft reset power cycle. You just have to turn off your soundbar, unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. Press and hold the power button on the soundbar, not the remote, for 30 seconds and leave it unplugged for additional 30 seconds. And plug it back into the wall and turn it on. Fix 3. Check for Smart TV CEC interference. Access the TV setting menu, then disable the features such as CEC, Bravia Sync, Simple Link or any Net Plus. Check if disabling these features resolve the issue of random shuts off. Fix 4. Factory reset. Locate the physical button on the soundbar body and press and hold the Bluetooth and volume down button. At the same time, you have to hold them firmly for 5 to 10 seconds. Watch the front LED lights, they will flash 3 times. Release the button and let the soundbar restart. Thanks for watching.